Hyundai Ioniq 5 was given the title World's Best Car in 2022 by the World Car Awards. The World Car Awards is a group of Automobile Car of the Year awards selected by a jury of 82 international automotive journalists from 24 countries. That's not the only prize Ioniq has won since its launch in 2021. Ioniq 5 has won numerous prizes, including German Car of the Year, UK Car of the Year, Auto Express Car of the Year, and Auto Build's Electric Car of the Year. All these prizes are pretty high achievements from a South Korean company that was founded in 1915 by the eldest son of a poor North Korean peasant. Before we continue, welcome to my channel, Money in Motion. I would really appreciate it if you click the subscribe button. Back to Hyundai. Chung Ju-young founded Hyundai Motor Company in 1967. In conjunction with Ford, Hyundai would release its first model, the legendary MK2 Cortina, in 1968. After witnessing the success firsthand, Hyundai decided it wanted to independently develop its car models. From there on, they never looked back. And today, Hyundai, or the Hyundai Motor Company, is the largest car manufacturer in South Korea. They are also the 7th largest car maker in the world. The multinational automotive company has grown rapidly and has become one of the biggest car makers in the world, producing a huge selection of commercial vehicles, luxury cars, engines, and even electronic vehicles. Hyundai's top brands are Ioniq, Genesis, and Kia. Hyundai first developed a pure electric car in 1991. It was the Sonata electric vehicle. The Sonata sedan could travel only 44 miles before it had to be charged. And it had the top speed at the insane speed of 37 miles per hour. The next 20 years, Hyundai had focused on mass-producing hybrid vehicles. Hyundai turned its focus towards making pure electric vehicles during the 2010s. In 2016, Hyundai introduced Ioniq, the world's first car to offer a separate hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and full electric powertrains in one body type. In 2018, Hyundai announced the world's first subcompact electric SUV, the Kona Electric. In 2021, Hyundai introduced the second generation of its electric Ioniq 5 model with a CUV-like appearance and a stunning design. Ioniq 5 has been a success story from the start. We started this video by announcing all the prizes the car has won, but Hyundai has even greater plans. 15 July this year, Hyundai stated that the production of Hyundai Ioniq 6 will start the third quarter of 2022. The ambitions are to make a luxury electric car that will outconquer all other cars in the luxury segment. Hyundai has never been admired for their cars. Serious manufacturing issues caused Hyundai and sister company Kia to recall over 2.4 million vehicles between 2015 and 2019. This was a hard blow to Hyundai's reputation, and many car buyers didn't even want to consider driving a Hyundai vehicle for free. But now, all the other automakers of electric cars really envy them. The South Korean manufacturer builds cars with stylish design, great onboard tech, and with impressive practical range and tremendous charging speed. Let's take a closer look at the new Ioniq 6 and its features and try to find out why their competitors both fear and admire the Ioniq 6. Ioniq 6 will have a single electric motor powering the rear wheels with a dual motor. All-wheel drive offered on higher models. The dual motor model will produce 324 brake horsepower and should achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds. You can choose a battery with 53 kilowatt hours or a battery at 77.4 kilowatt hours. The extended range model, the largest battery, is expected to provide 379 miles of range, which is slightly more than the Tesla Model 3. Moving inside the Ioniq 6, it is sleek and minimal. You get a simple dashboard design with dual-screen infotainment system consisting of two high-resolution 12-inch displays running. Hyundai's heads-up display is some of the best around, which gives the driver feeling of being in a flight cockpit. Another standout feature is the lack of wing mirrors. They are replaced with wing mirror screens on either side of the car, giving a futuristic view of what's behind the car. Comparing the design with Tesla Model 3, Model 3 is the all-time best-selling EV sedan, with more than 1 million examples sold globally. Introduced in 2017, the Model 3 is still in its first generation and has stayed the same from the design perspective. Some car critics say that the design is breathtaking and superior to other electric cars. Hyundai really kicks some ass when it comes to charging capacity. The Ioniq has a 350 kilowatt fast charger, giving you an 80% charge in just 20 minutes. If we compare with Tesla Model 3, it will take at least 30 minutes to charge the model to 80%. All Ioniq 6 buyers will also receive Hyundai's 5-year 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year 100,000-mile warranty on the battery and drive motors. What's up with the prices? How much will the Ioniq 6 cost? It's rumored that the starting price will be just $42,000 for the model with the 53 kilowatt battery. The long-range model is estimated to start at $48,000. Tesla Model 3 has a starting price at $48,000 for the standard edition and $57,900 for the long-range edition. While the Hyundai Ioniq 6 is expensive for a car wearing a Hyundai badge, it is decidedly cheaper than its rival Tesla model. For that price, buyers receive an exceptional number of standard features and a driving range that outpaces Tesla Model 3s and Model Ys. Buyers that are considering buying an electric car may find Ioniq 6 more appealing than Tesla. Its price, its design and looks, its high-tech innovative solutions, and its range are arguably better than the old Tesla Model 3. Hyundai has another trick up their sleeve. They have introduced a try-before-you-buy deal. Customers can rent an electric car for 1 to 3 months before deciding if they want to buy the car. Vice President of Hyundai has stated that they are so confident that their cars will impress that no customer will think twice about not buying the car after the rent runs out. Are you impressed over the new Ioniq 6? Do you think they will outconquer Tesla? Could you be interested in buying an Ioniq 6? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment field. And of course, if you haven't done it yet, please smash that subscribe button.